You may have seen this witch's prop that I have on my roof line in some of my nighttime videos, but it was such a nice day today, I decided I would go ahead and climb back up on the roof and give you a closer look at what it looks like during the daylight. So this is the LED light that lights up the moon, and it's angled away from the witch as best I can so that she doesn't pick up any of the stray ambient light, trying to keep her as dark as a silhouette as I can. So the light merely just hits the moon. It's got a bit of a screen on there to kind of dim it down a little. So all the metal parts have been painted black. That really conceals things well at night, and you can't really see those at all. Just a silhouette of the witch going around. So this is just operated from a reindeer motor. It's just a low RPM motor that's in a waterproof casing, sold as is like that, and just drove a nail through it to keep the shaft in place. And then that runs up half of the moon through these eye screws to keep it in place until we reach where the witch is connected in. She's hiding back here behind the chimney until it's time to arise with the sunset and twilight. I designed this so that the moon actually retracts back on this pivot here. That way it's hidden during the day from the street. It just hides behind the roof line. And then when it gets dark, I pull on these green cables to raise it and lower it.